I swear, if you watch this video till the end, you won't need to watch any other video to get the Sora 2 invite code. And yes, if this trick doesn't work, you can dislike my video. So, let's start the video without wasting any time. First, you need to open Google and search for Sora 2. Then, click on the first website. You'll see an interface like this. On the top side, you'll see a login button. Click on it and then select Sora. Here, it will ask you for an invite code. I'll tell you at the end of the video how to get this invite code. Now, I already have the invitation code. Paste the invitation code into the inbox and click Join New Sora. As soon as you click on it, Sora 2 will open. Here, you'll see an interface like this. For proof, I'll generate a video. First, I type a prompt here and click Send, and the video will start generating. But where do you get the video? Click on your profile icon on the left side, and there you'll find your generated videos. Let me show you that video. To download this video, click on the 3 lines on the right side and download the video. Now, I'll also tell you where I got the invite code. First, open Grok AI and search in the search bar for Find the Working Sora 2 invite code. As soon as you search this, Grok AI will give you a code, which you can fill in the invite code box, and your Sora 2 will open as well.